Hello friend, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to convert iPhone video to a slow motion. It's a very simple process, but if you don't know how to get it, then watch the full video and follow the simple steps. After that you will all know how to get it. So let's get started. Firstly, go to your app store and in the search bar type here iMovie. Appears on screen. Install this application at your ISO devices. After that, open the application, tap at continue, tap at start new project, tap at three dots, tap at import project, import your file. Appears on screen. Now creating the slow mode, just tap at the file. At the second option you can see a option, just tap on it. Now as you can see, appears on screen, you can see like this. You can make a slow move. After creating your file, just tap at done and tap at export option, and now select the option save video. Like this you can easily make any video into a slow motion. I hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, please share it to your friends and don't forget to subscribe my channel. And if you have any other question, please comment me below. Thanks for watching.